Good evening. My name is Keren Paola Ariza Correa, Industrial Engineering student from the course Valoration, Technological and Negotiation of the UNAM. Today, May 21, 2021. Draft of Agreement document for the commercialization of the software developed by company the software Colombia CA. Scope the license. As a licensor, you can limit the scope of the license, be defined of and for what purposes the license may use the software. A restricted license only allows the licensee to use the object code of the software, not the source code of the software. A licensor may also want to further restrict the license be limited. Field of use, for example, for whose only have licenses internal using purpose. Geographic usage restriction, the number of concurrent users allowed, the power upon which the same software might be used, the ability to transfer the software license. Exclusivity. An exclusive license means that no person or company other than the named license can exploit the relevant intellectual property rights. Importantly, the licensor is also excluded from exploiting the intellectual property rights. Liability. The limitation of liability is one of the most important clauses in a software licensing agreement because it limits the amount and types of damage one party can recover from the other party. For example, if the software does not work and your company suffers damage as a result, the limitation of liability will restrict your company's ability to recover its loss. Warranty of licensed patent. Warranty, intellectual property law are often those of as vital licenses and licensors allocate the risk associated with the transaction. On party made representation and warranties about a certain element will have an impact on the liability, gainer, or reality the issue. Party to the transaction. In many cases, a license should be considered entered into a license agreement if the licensor refuses to make an representation and warranties to license. Ownership of IP. The protection of intellectual property and the proper allocation of intellectual property ownership is the pivotal bedrock upon which our rules-based society and market economy risk, and third round, understudy of us how to locate intellectual property ownership is critical for entrepreneurs and business owners to grow their business, open, develop new ideas and new creation. Thank you.